Hi there, Beasties! Melissa from Metals and Pieces here, and today we're doing something a little bit different. I am so psyched to introduce you guys to my friend Kate's work from Snowy Palms. She is on Etsy, and she does some of the coolest t-shirts, tank tops, theme stuff that I've ever seen. And when I saw her Limitless collection come out, and yes, this was released in January, and it's currently March, but I knew I had to own, all of it. So I told every single person who buys me birthday presents that what they could get me this year was shirts from this Limitless collection from Snowy Palms. And I got a bunch of them. But I didn't get two that I really wanted. And that's on me, because I didn't send direct links. So I had to order them for myself. And I wanted to show you how they come in, because my God, this is some of the most amazing packaging I have ever seen. It is just delicious. So that said, here we go, unboxing of Snowy Palms. So, you can see to start out with, she sends them in these gorgeous teal poly wrappers. So, that said, I am going to open. She doesn't have any instructions on here on where to open, but I kind of just go in here. I want to make sure that I am not getting anywhere near any of the gorgeous shirts that I am so excited to get. Come on, cut. All right. So, opening up the plastic, we get lots of goodies. Okay, that's done. And we are still looking at this gorgeous teal. Look at this. Look at this. We got a dum-dum. Yay. I don't eat sugar, but it's still fun. It's still fun. What else is in here? Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Okay. Ooh, we got stickers. This one says Limitless. I love it, on a kettlebell. For anyone who doesn't know, I am a very poor CrossFit junkie. Poor as in, I'm pathetic, but still do your squats. Absolutely. With everything going on with coronavirus right now, I will be doing my workout this evening. That way I can harass my mother into working out too. Hell yeah. Care instructions. Do you get this? Get this. Gently caress the soft fabric. We have to open it yet till we get that. Okay. Speak sweet nothings into the sleeve. Gift it flowers for no reason. Buy it a friend. Well, I bought two because I follow Bob Ross's No Tree Left Alone or whatever that is. And for longest shirt life, wash inside out in cold weather. We got that. Okay. So cool. So cool. Oh, look at this gorgeous business card. That's Kate. Kate is awesome. You guys totally should be checking out her stuff after this. I will post a link to her shop in the comments below. So, and then also, look at this. This is awesome. Need a different size, return your item to, there's the address. Include this card and the packing slip. And then you're just going to return the size and you're going to tell them the new size that you want. Spectacular. Okay, so I got to put all this to the side. And now we got to look at the actual package. And what do you know? Look at this. It's even got a tie on it with a little bit of mermaid scales. Woohoo! And I am loving the Snowy Palms logo right here. Isn't that cute? The palm tree with the iceberg underneath it. Love it! Love it! Okay. Ooh, and what's below that? Oh, that's just my invoice. You guys don't need to see that. So, I'm going to try my best to open this without tearing the sticker, because the sticker is awesome too. Let's see, we're almost there, Okay, we tore the paper, but that's okay, we did not tear that sticker, yes. All right, let's see. And as we pull it out, can you believe this? More packaging, more unwrapping. This is beautiful. Okay, so we got snap and share, post a picture, and tag Snowy Palms on Instagram and in the Facebook group. Look at that Snowy Palms grotto, that's adorable. I'm totally gonna need to jump on that. Okay. Shoot me, Nathan, Catherine, all right. So cool. So these are totally for CrossFit. That is part of the Limitless collection that I'm so excited for. So we will be shooting terrible selfies in these. Maybe mini video of me attempting to do burpees. I don't know. I don't think anyone wants to see me attempting to do burpees. It's sad and pathetic, but whatever. Let's get back to this. So we have more of this gorgeous teal. Look at this branded tissue paper. Ah! I'm kind of glad this isn't tape because I wouldn't want to rip it. And I mean, I am totally one of those destroy everything wrapped kind of people, but it's just so pretty. Okay. And we have our first shirt. Ooh, there's tissue paper in between the shirts. Do you see that? Do you see that? On where the printing is, there is tissue paper. So we are going to flip this around. And anyone who knows me, you understand why I needed this shirt. I needed this shirt. Be a badass with a good ass. Oh, hell yes. So this one is a tank top. It's got the nice wide shoulders on there. And you will totally see bad selfies later on. And it's this gorgeous, like darker blue. I did think it was going to be a little bit of a teal, but that's okay. I am loving the blue, and that was probably just my error. So that's that shirt. And then this one, you are going to get such a kick out of this shirt. So we turn it around. Let me open it up a little bit. See how nicely they're folded? Like, isn't that amazing? Let me open it up all the way here so you can see. Look at this! Look at this! Look at this! Who is joining me and wearing this shirt right here? Sloth Running Team Champion. Hell yes! Right? God, I hate running. But yes! Who else freaking loves this? It's so cute. And this is an adorable mint green, which I don't have any workout clothes in mint green, but that's okay. It'll go great with all of my black leggings. Yes. So there we go. If I hold this up here, ta-da! Sloth Running Team Champion. And to see the other one, because I realized I didn't do that before. Ta-da! This is going to be my favorite shirt. I am pretty sure. Already guaranteed this is going to be my favorite shirt. Be a badass with a good ass. So there we go. I hope you guys are as impressed as I am here with Snowy Palms and Kate's delivery. I will also say she shipped out, I ordered on a weekend, she shipped out, it was 24 or 48 hours. It was something ridiculously fast. 24 might have put it on a Sunday, so it might have been 48 hours, but like as soon as Monday morning hit, it was shipped. It took like no time at all for these to get to me. I am so psyched to start wearing them for my death workouts, and that's it. Thank you so much, Kate, for these amazing shirts. I will totally be sending you photos. Anyone who's interested in seeing my ridiculousness, like maybe I'll do a GIF of burpees instead of a video of burpees, you should totally join us in the Metals and Pieces fan clan. That is my Facebook group. So I'll totally share that GIF once I make it, and I will be tagging Snowy Palms, giving you guys direct shopping links there. Also a bonus, if you jump on her email list, which I will try to find the link to put in the description below, I'll find that link and put it in the description below. For you to join her email list, she does give a 20% off coupon code that you can use as many times as you want. So you can order one shirt, and then more shirts, and then all the shirts. That's it. You guys, stay epic. I'll talk to you later.